Hey family, welcome to my channel. I'm Nia, aka Sis Went Vegan, and I'm back with another tasty video. There is a restaurant here in Texas that makes the best Thai basil stir fry. They use fish sauce, chicken, and shrimp in it, so I can't have it. So I made it my mission to figure out a way to make it vegan. It is in no way authentic, but I think I came pretty close to getting those same great flavors. If you like this video, please drop a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Let's get into it. And there we have spicy Thai basil stir fry. Guys, this meal is so quick and easy to make. I love the fact that you can use whatever kind of vegetables you want. And also, if you don't like it spicy, or if you want it spicier, you can use more or less cayenne pepper and crushed red peppers to control that. This meal was enough to make about 4 or 5 servings. I had a serving for myself, and then the rest of it was used to feed some of the homeless people in our area. If you guys decide to make this recipe, please take a picture of it and tag me in it on Instagram and Twitter at @siswentvegan. Go ahead and drop a comment and let me know what other kind of recipes you guys would love to see me make. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. I love you guys so much. See you next week.
Cayenne.